Hey, hello everybody. Let's test it this way. I hope you hear the music, but let's test it this way. I hope you hear the music, but let's make it even a bit louder. Yeah, yeah. Now it should works. It should work. But wait a second. Let's test it this way. I hope you hear the music, but let's make it even a bit louder. Yeah, yeah. Now it should works. It should. Yeah, it works just fine. It's the second stream for today. Sorry. Yeah. So we're continuing work. Wait a second. We're continuing writing the Tetroflow. What was it? Huh. Does not open it for some reason. Server pipe closed. That's a mess. Server pipe. Close pipe. Stage 2. Oh yeah, there was some bullshit going on here. I think it's not properly handled. I mean, it's better say it's not properly unloaded and yeah. CPP just over here. And it's the first file, and the second file would be utils, cluster utils. Cluster utils. The cluster utils, so for some reason it does not adding the node. removing node from cluster. Yeah, somebody joined. Hello there. Let's say what Copilot could tell us about it. Is not defined in this file. It definitely is. The file, it's definitely defined in the file. Nope, let's discard. Let's include the file cluster of HPP. So what? Yeah, because the files are the pushbacks, the vectors, they're defined in the cluster file, included in the cluster HPP file. Yeah, I mean, in this case, it would be alright, but the remove node doesn't work as well. But yeah, let's try to recompile it and see what it tells us. Moving node from cluster. Yeah, hello guys. Nice to see you on the stream. Yeah, actually, I mean, I'm not the C++ pro, but I actually really don't get why it is not. Well, maybe it has something to do with declarations. Oh, 3 viewers. Hello, guys. Nice to see you all here. So yeah, the chat's popped up, right? And it should work. So yeah, for some reason it does not reach the logging statements here. I don't know why, but yeah. So maybe it has something to do with the mutual exclusion with the mutex lock. Maybe the well, because again, the last stream I was thinking that it can't be that easy. I mean, according to docs, this lock should be instantly released after the when the function is basically when the function ends and the so the yeah, it should be actually released when the data is popped off stack. When the stacks should shrink and there's a return statement, the this lock should be again removed. But yeah, in German, in databases, it's called Schrumpfungsphase, where basically all locks are released. But yeah, checking the node cluster. Lock acquired to add node, acquired to remove node. I think it should be the node, but whatever. So again, snapcat, let's interrupt. So lock acquired to add node. Well, so the lock is there. Removing node from cluster. Right. So here it works. It seems to work here, but does not. It does not. It looks like it does not release the. It looks like it does not release the lock, right? So release lock. Do that. I mean, you could technically use normal conditional variable here. Let's see what. Again, I have never actually worked with proper locks, with locking mechanisms in C++. Well, we did something similar in Java in operating systems course too. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I know operating systems, writing stuff in Java in operating systems courses. I mean, it sounds really strange, but that's what we did at the university to understand how condition racing, how mutual exclusion, etc. works. So yeah, we did something, but not in, again, it's not in C++. If it were Java, I could just write synchronized void, I think, and it should be fine. Yeah, but here it does not work. The mutual B. Itself. So yeah. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to tell us about it. Truly lost defined and accessible, yeah, for the iterator. Yeah, so what? Huh? How would it help? How the hell would it help? I mean, auto includes vector memory, right? It's not about include otherwise. Yeah. I mean, let's try. Yeah. Network is a multiple definition of nodes. Sets of files. Also the cluster.cpp and cluster.hpp. Well, safe for some reason. Yeah, well. Yeah, removing some empty space does not solve the problem. And now everyone's just gone. Right. Fortunate. Yeah, there's definitely an error with locking and. I mean, I'd love to know the. Removing node from cluster. It's just the yeah. Lock acquired to remove node. So it did acquire the lock though. Best way to do that. Internet shot players probably. Yeah, what do you mean by properly managed? What the fuck do you mean? I mean, it's Do you want to change it? Yeah, right. Of fucking course. Word cooldown. You need cooldown and cluster. Shit. There is some bullshit going on with this bullshit. Should also be fine. Is it marked as an error? Cluster bolt. Remove node. Let's use a basic pointer. Yeah. Yeah, so Linux was just fine. Right here. Server pipe closed. No, it doesn't work again. So yeah, maybe because the node isn't so lock. So mutex lock that unlock. Let's add some node to cluster. Or remove from cluster. Let's make it. Log acquired, but not further than that. Yeah. Let's fully rebuild it, because yeah, it might pose problem. It might pose a problem. Moving on from cluster. Yeah, so moving node from cluster and it waits for the lock forever. Yeah, again, let's ask maybe the chat GPT. Also, ability to yeah, so what could be a problem here? The node's definition looks locked. Let's maybe the nodes exist. Does not, maybe it should also unlock the stuff here. Maybe the exists check itself locks, but not the unique lock. It does not unlock it again. For some reason. Attempting to remove node from cluster. Node lock acquired. over here. Maybe that's the problem, who knows? Well, I certainly don't, because, yeah. Node lock acquired, right? But nothing more. So, attempting to check, I think, yeah. So yeah, the logs aren't released. Leading to a deadlock, yeah. But I thought the deadlocks should be handled. I mean, at least what that's some error messages I've seen. In the previous stream, I got an error that there was a deadlock which was prevented, and thus the application execution was dropped. But obviously it's not. We are obviously not. I mean, maybe block needed. Block checking it. So it's checking if block needed. This pass false to avoid a double locking. Maybe first check and then, you know? Mode 1 edit the cluster. Yeah. Dropping. Where to remove the node. Yeah, whatever that would, I mean, who the hell caused the abort here? Where to remove it? Yeah, hello, someone just joined. Hello there. Yeah, so that's what it suggested to us, but yeah, I'm pretty uncertain, so yeah, no, it gets the shared pointer. Well, it's not a shared pointer in this case, because let's say it's a bare pointer, one of the few places where I really have the pointers, right? I mean, it's easily possible that I'll have to rewrite the whole stuff here. To you, because I have like code snippets with mutual exclusion and with locking, which definitely work. Jim test multiple times, but yeah, let's run it. Yeah, nope, it just terminates called. Yeah, to hell with it. Hell with it. Well, doing it the other way around. So yeah, let's keep the definition here. Mutex. So mutex, I have the transactions. Transaction manager, I think, yeah. Condition variable. Yeah, it's here. Cluster. Include. Condition variable, right? Cluster mutex. Cluster CV. Add node. Let's look at the transaction manager. Transaction. Yep. Or F for it. Move node. No, we'll do just the same way. Walk. Should work, just should be fine. Flow, let's run it. Hello. Nope. Fuck it. Just terminate call, next exception. Why? Please tell me why. Okay, this equals node. No, you cannot compare it. It doesn't work the way, come on. It doesn't work this way. Node. Connect, disconnect. Moving node 0. Yeah. No, it just dumps the core. Why? I really don't get why. Terminate the code. Next effective exception. I mean, I could try Google it, but doesn't make sense. Red saw the scope, but it's not in a joinable state. Okay, whatever you want, but it won't work. See, multiple definitions. Colors P, no need. Here it's defined elsewhere, right? Yeah. Whatever. I really don't get why the hell it doesn't work. Call without an active exception. So why does it just throw an error? Because trying to class no, it's in here. It's there. Yeah. So removing the node from here. So I think it's not the removing itself, but the lock which causes the trouble here. So let's run it. Instead, drop it. Oh no, it's not. Because we're actually really I mean we just locked it, so it belongs to us now. So we're kinda, yeah. You were found, right? So the node was found. And now we want to erase it. And now it dumps the core. So yeah, that's basically the erase function, which drops the hello there, hello everyone who joined. Yeah, so that's the erase function which drops the core, which drops it, but why? And that's the problem, because we just locked it, didn't we? I mean, let's ask the so the problem is actually in the erase, the is function see the using terminate call, we need to break out the loop after raising the node, avoid accessing the iterators. Right. Okay, fine. Break out the loop. Just remove the no exist. Let's just remove the node exist. Let's just remove it for a second. Then the cluster. It's defined. It exists. Let's just comment it for a second. Let's try one more time. Background proper synchronization with nodes mutex to protect. Yeah. Cluster mutex. It's just the same. Dude, it's just the same. What the hell are you suggesting? Okay, like. Okay. Cluster mutex. Let's rename it node mutex. Spark. Okay. Right. As stupid as it sounds, right. Okay. Whatever. It dropped. Hooray. Of key access or else or modifier node. Okay, where? Shall pointer. No way. It's a bullshit. Let's do logging here, let's do logging there. Right, accept. But it won't work. I guarantee. This is it. It does not work. Condition down. Let's remove the condition. Because of the condition racing. Oh yeah, there's some mutual exclusion bullshit, but I mean, yeah, whatever. Let's just try copy pasting the code from the ChatGPT or whatever and see whether it will work. Wait, let's clean it up, and yeah, just go ahead. Let's just go ahead with it. I mean, do you hear me actually? Copy pasting the code from the ChatGPT or whatever and see whether it will work. Wait, let's clean it up, and yeah, just clean it up. But yeah, now it should work better, but yeah. Yeah. Fortunately, I don't see the second monitor with all the stats, with all the stream stats, all the chat and so on behind my microphone now. So fuck. Yep. Here we go. Here we go. Hello. Shithead. No, the snapshot pointer cluster node is being accessed or deleted. Even as this function can be called from multiple threads, adding more detailed exception handling and verifying integrity node pointers could help. Here's a fine approach. Additional verified node is not a null pointer. That's good actually. I wasn't thinking about it. That the yeah, it's not a null pointer. It's not a null pointer. I actually wasn't thinking about it, but it is true. Part. Removing nodes from the cluster. Yeah. Uh, at least that we have an idea where it messes up. So removing the node from cluster, searching for node. Right, so it drops on the searching for node, and I mean, fuck, I won't be at the university till the next Monday. I won't visit the. I have nothing. I had no lectures today. I have no lectures tomorrow. At the of just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday lectures. I have just 3 days lectures at the university. So I won't be able to ask my professor about it. I will not be able to ask. Spy track it block indicate that the issue outside the standing exception handling flow, such as an issue with a shared pointer lifecycle management. Could it be? Just let's go for a cluster node. Let's just remove it from here for now. Oh yeah, obviously. To the pointer address. Yeah, I can't just go and debug it, unfortunately. Check exception, terminate can cause result from exceptions. Turn on code corrupted states or burst signal, so adding additional logging could help. Yeah. Well, more than half of this function is logging now, so basically everything's logging. Oh. Just remake it. If something doesn't work, first thing to do, just rebuild the whole stuff. Oh, it's actually messed up. So redefinition of TD-Murex. Oh, I just haven't deleted the whole thing. Right? Yeah, no problem. Yeah, once in a few like rebuilds, just you better just rebuild the stuff. Still corrupt, but we have an address. We have at least an address. To the no removal. Cluster is another part. It's being accessed or modified. Removal in another part of the code. It could trigger an error. So what are we gonna do? Well, simple. Remove it from here. Fuck it. Sorry for swearing, but yeah, it's sometimes, yeah, it's just annoying, the whole stuff. It's just, yeah, the whole like programming magic just vanishes when like sitting and rebuilding it for the I don't know, like 30th time or whatever. Yeah, it just it's just messed up, right? So maybe there's something accessing it from elsewhere, but not that I knew. Just really wanna run like no dipshit. There's nothing, and I mean nothing, accessing it. Node added to cluster. Address. Yeah, so it exits. And the addresses also do also match. So what is the problem again?